Okay, we're going to make a tornado using the garbage disposal, and we're going to grind up ice at the same time. We're going to see what happens. Is this going to be awesome or what, Mike? Are you pumped? Where are you going? Come on, get in there. Oh, okay, we have to put googly eyes on, too.
We're just really scared of the house. I'm so scared about this, Daddy. We should not do this.
Oh my gosh, look how much water we got in there, though. It's getting full. Do we?
Daddy, turn off.
No, let's let it get fuller. Do we put the ice in it first?
Yes.
We do?
Yes.
Okay, put it in there.
Already, shut the water off.
No, we'll put it in there with the water on. Put the ice in there.
It's in the flood.
It'll be okay. Put the ice in there. Alright, so if I shut the water off, you'll put the ice in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you're going to put the ice in there?
Yeah.
Put it in there. I'll pull the plug, okay, since it's garbage disposal. Oh my gosh. They're like floating little people. Oh, we're like little tiny ice cubes of floating people. I sure do love this bath. This is so nice. Oh, I love it too. I hope nobody opens up the drain. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to turn the garbage disposal on. Ready? 3, 2. Mike, where are you going?
I'm going to wash it over here.
Mike, don't you want to watch it? All right, here we go. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, that was it.
That's